A warm welcome to all of you. And this will be our last session on PowerPoint. And I would officially welcome our presenter for the day, Sujit, to take over. Over to you, Sujit. And if you all have any doubts or anything, or just write on the chat box, and Sujit or myself will answer it in the end of the session. Thank you. Have a nice session. Over to you, Sujit.
Thank you, Lata ma'am. Good afternoon, everyone. So this is a session on the PowerPoint today we are having. So usually when it comes to presentations, the most preferable application that we use is MS PowerPoint usually. So as in the earlier sessions when people were asking how to usually install this PowerPoint or any other applications. So the fact is, this Microsoft PowerPoint and this Office is actually a paid version. So you don't usually get it in online any, or you can download it some website. But I don't think it's safe for your PC in the further period. Like as you use those bought something additional attachments will be there that affects your computer. So it's better you buy an original version of Microsoft Office. Uh, and in like it cost about 5,000 something, but it's or you just want the application, you get a pirated versions from this computer stores. It's preferably you go to the computer stores, they install that and give you. If you want to use that applications, I'll show you a process where you can use that through online. So let's, before I start this, the process of installing that application is either by Microsoft 365, that is an online mode. So but before that, I'll start you about what is this Microsoft PowerPoint. So talking about the history of Microsoft, it was it was actually started by Mr. Robert Gaskins in the year 1984. So in that year, he was hired by Forethought Incorporation in US for making some applications for graphical presentations for Apple. So when he was hired by Apple for that purpose, they created an application called Presenter. Okay, Presenter application was created. Then they actually approached for a lawyer to get a trademark and copyright so that nobody in further would produce that. But the fact they didn't get that application as a copyright because the Presenter application was used by someone else. So they actually changed the name into PowerPoint. So this PowerPoint actually was acquired by Microsoft in the year 1987 for about $14 million. $14 million means it is about 1 crore of 40 lakh in that dollars in that price. तो बोलेंगे सी 1984 में एक रॉबर्ट गैस्किंस यूएस में एक पर्सन था, वो प्रेजेंटर फोर्थ थॉट इनकॉर्पोरेशन के साथ काम कर रहा था. उसका काम एक था कि एक ग्राफिकल एप्लीकेशन बनाना का. उस टाइम में ग्राफिकल कोई प्रेजेंटेशन के लिए ग्राफिकल एप्लीकेशन कुछ भी नहीं था. एप्पल ने अप्रोच किया था, वो प्रेजेंटर नाम के साथ एक एप्लीकेशन बना दिया वो मैकिंटोश कंप्यूटर के लिए. प्रेजेंटली वी कॉल इट एज एप्पल मैक कंप्यूटर्स. इन द सेम मैकिंटोश वाज द अर्लियर नेम ऑफ एप्पल मैक. सो 1987 माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ने $14 million, 1 करोड़ 40 लाख डॉलर्स में एक्वायर किया 1987 में. Even in that time it was producing that application, Microsoft was producing that application for Apple. It didn't actually start producing for other computers. In the year 1990, that is 3 years later, 3 साल के बाद वो सब तरह का कंप्यूटर के लिए एक एप्लीकेशन लाइक IBM कंप्यूटर के लिए और माइक्रोसॉफ्ट विंडोज के लिए कंप्लीट इनिशियल रिलीज ऑफ माइक्रोसॉफ्ट PowerPoint was done in the year 1990. So it has the process when they was upgrading from like Microsoft 1.0, 2.0, 4.0, 95, 2003, 2007. So in 2006 actually they brought a very stable release. In the online version of that is Office 365, the complete all the Office applications. And in the 2019 a complete uh, application for the Android, iOS, that is for the Apple mobiles and web application was completely a stable release was done in the previous year. So I think it is saying like majority, almost it is this $14 million what Bill Gates had invested in 1987. Actually, it is worth for something very huge, more than the value. One of the greatest acquisition भी बोलेगा जब $14 million के लिए एक मार्केट लीडर भी हो माइक्रोसॉफ्ट पावर पॉइंट ने इतना लाइक सिंपल एंड यूजफुल एप्लीकेशन था. So I'll show you the way how this was looking. Okay, this was the first one, first version, introduced by Bob Gaskins. So you can see that, yeah, Bob Gaskins. It was actually produced for Apple. Apple के लेफ्ट साइड में तुमको एप्पल का लोगो देखने के लिए मिलता है. वो एप्पल के लिए ही बना रहा था उस टाइम में. तो वो फंक्शंस भी इतना सिंपल था. एक एरो है, एक लाइन ड्रॉ करने के लिए, एक सर्कल ड्रॉ करने के लिए, एक स्क्वायर ड्रॉ करने के लिए, इतना छोटा छोटा ग्राफिकल फंक्शंस के लिए यूज कर रहा था वो. पर in the year 1987 Microsoft actually acquired that. So but Microsoft are actually producing only for Apple computers in the year 1987. Okay, in 1987 when it acquired till the year 1990. So almost for 3 years it was only producing for Apple. So this was the version how it looked in that year. PowerPoint 2.0. The PowerPoint 2.0 a complete release of for Microsoft. वो ऐसा वर्जन ना, ये वर्जन वो IBM कंप्यूटर्स के लिए दे रहा था और सब तरह की कंप्यूटर्स के लिए ये वर्जन दे रहा था और एप्पल के लिए भी ये वर्जन दिया था. पर वो 1990 के बाद भी देने के लिए शुरू किया. उसमें भी थोड़ा बेसिक फंक्शंस ही होता है, लाइक एरो मार्क, लाइन, एरो मार्क, लाइन, सर्कल, थोड़ा थोड़ा बेसिक फंक्शंस था. उस टाइम में ये भी एक बड़ा क्रिएशन था क्योंकि वो माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एप्लीकेशंस वो डीओएस बेस्ड, डॉस बेस्ड सब ऐसा आपके लाइक इन दिस मॉडर्न बेस. उस समय में वो माउस वो सब नहीं था. Everything was done on a command. If you want to open something, you have to write open command. Something you have to close, you have to write close command. So इतना complicated works था. So इसलिए माउस का यूज बहुत ही कम था. सो डीओएस डॉस वर्जन्स. सो उसके बाद 2000, आई थिंक दैट ईयर 2000 एक्चुअली they released an graphical user interface. That is why actually present day you find Microsoft in all the computers, because it had an graphical user interface, so that a common person भी, एक आम आदमी पे लाइक उतना कंप्यूटर नॉलेज भी नहीं था, उसको यूज करने के लिए बहुत इजी होता था ऐसा ग्राफिकल यूजर इंटरफेस में, लाइक एरो मार्क, ऑडिट फाइल, सब हेडर्स. सो अर्लियर वर्जन, डीओएस वर्जन में सब कमांड के साथ ही काम कर रहा था, इतना कॉम्प्लिकेटेड हुआ था. सो दिस माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्चुअली एक बड़ा कंप्यूटर कंपनी बनाया. बिल गेट्स भी एक बिलियनर बनाया, वर्ल्ड्स रिचेस्ट पर्सन भी बनाया था. इसलिए वो इतना छोटा सा इन्वेंशन वो कॉमन मैन के लिए दिया था ना, उसका इफेक्ट हुआ. और दिस इज वर्जन 3.0 एक्चुअली. उसमें भी एक दो तीन चार एप्लीकेशन लाइक द ऐड टाइटल, ऐड कंटेंट, वो सब आया था. सो देन this was like even 4.0, Microsoft 4.0 PowerPoint. उसमें भी प्रिंट एप्लीकेशन की स्टार्ट, कट, कॉपी, पेस्ट, सब एप्लीकेशंस आने के लिए तैयार रहता है. एंड फॉन्ट स्टाइल्स वेयर ओनली फ्यू फॉन्ट स्टाइल्स में अवेलेबल था उस समय में. पर उसका एक स्टेबल रिलीज, ग्राफिकल यूजर इंटरफेस का रिलीज होता है ना, वो 1995 में हुआ था. वो PowerPoint 1995, Microsoft 95 वर्जन का था ना, वो कंप्लीट लाइक ग्राफिकल इंटरफेस, यूजर इंटरफेस के लिए बना था. उसके बाद ही उसका पॉपुलैरिटी बहुत बहुत बढ़ गया किसी माइक्रोसॉफ्ट PowerPoint के का. So people started using for presentations, for something, all that things, all the factors, because उस टाइम में कोई कॉम्पिटिटर नहीं था. अभी भी उसका लाइक मार्केट लीडर हुआ था, उसका मार्केट शेयर बहुत बड़ा है माइक्रोसॉफ्ट PowerPoint. उसका कॉम्पिटिटर यही है कि गूगल स्लाइड्स, बिकॉज वो फ्री है. बट एक्चुअली द pay original version of Microsoft PowerPoint is actually paid. It costs you very much. When the people in which people of Mac who use Mac applications now, you should pay about 9,000. It's actually more expensive those who are using Mac, because वो competition का काम है. When you are a competitor and your competitor want to use your application, you usually charge high. And it is always a concept that in the mindset that Microsoft, the users of Apple are very premium customers, so they charge really high. So if you are a Windows user, the original version of Microsoft, actually you get it at 5,000 something, includes Office 365 and other all other premium subscriptions, or 999 maybe bilta hai, like only certainly limited like Word, Excel, OneNote, then PowerPoint. I think yeah, this 5 6 you will get. And usually you should go to the computer store and install it rather than installing from the net or direct net, because I don't think it's safe for your computer and future operations. Because see, you invest a lot on your computers or something, you go to online and download it for a free, but it costs you more than what is required. Okay, more than what is required for them. Now next, this is the 2003 versions, I think so. The 2003 version, I think a lot of people know of our age or something, because this was actually more popular in India. That time, like computers were very common, like was becoming common. Those big boxes computers were becoming common, and that time we had this Microsoft PowerPoint 2003 versions, and 1995 version were also there. So this is like, this is quite a history of computer, like Microsoft PowerPoint. So how it evolution of computers, they say, like Microsoft PowerPoint, this is 2003 versions. The next version is a 2007 version, I think so, a stable release. um, this is a 2007 versions. People usually prefer this more because even you don't get like the notification, it is a pirated one, and it is more stable and useful. But as the when you even get the latest versions, it is always the best. The latest versions is always the best one. So this is Microsoft version 2010, which I'll be teaching in the Microsoft version 2010, Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. You can even, it is always also applicable for 2016, 13, 16 also, 19 I think so. It is not yet released in India, and some fake websites are like saying that we are available with 19 software. Please don't use that or don't download that. It affects your personal computers for the future use. So usko download करने का मौका, like don't try even to download that things. So this is like a history, the evolution of Microsoft PowerPoint. So now let's start the Microsoft PowerPoint session. But before that, I'll say no. The most thing is like, you have a common man has a concept that एक PowerPoint presentation में एक slide होता है, उसको वो 2-3 lines भी होता है, and वो तुम explain कर रहा था. So when you explain that thing, that is not actually a PowerPoint presentation. It is an application filled with so many other features. Maybe if you have this application, you can do basic photo editing, basic video editing, some basic features, because the video editing applications require huge RAM, huge processor. Basic functions you can do in this. So I prefer this is in a complete application. So I'll be teaching in the next part how to edit a photo, how to do such things even in this. And presentation skill, this is actually more important. Even if you bring the best and best of the PowerPoint version, so तुम्हारा presentation skill भी कुछ भी अच्छा नहीं, थोड़ा सा ही अच्छा नहीं है, तो वो क्या यूज होता है? People like, तेरा प्रेजेंटेशन देखने के लिए नहीं आता, तुम क्या बोल रहा है उसको देखने के लिए लोग आता है. तुम्हारा बात है to listen your words, they actually come to see the presentation, not the one that is in the content. So it is good that you have a better presentation skill. एक like empty paper के साथ भी एक presentation भी कर सकता है, एक like for 1 hour 1-2 hours, if you are so talented enough to present something. So this is how like the like this frame, like this window of Microsoft PowerPoint looks. The first version is like, this is a file tab, and this part is called as a home ribbon. Okay, then this is the title bar where the name of the title is saved actually. Okay, then this is a slide area where you make all the contents of editing, doing such things. Then this is help, actually you don't require this. You like when you require something, when you're not able to do, when you're not like certain frequently asked questions बोलते हैं ना, like how to add a content, how to make the letter bold, वो थोड़ा थोड़ा easy functions, frequently asked question, FAQ बोलता है वो सबको, वो तुमको ये help option में मिलता है। तो कि suddenly तुम सबको क्या करने के लिए, you don't understand what you need to do, suddenly you go to Google and search, keep on searching. So you need not required to do that, so go to this question mark help in the right edge of that this, and start searching for the frequently asked question, you get the basic things. And वो slide tab बोलता है इसको, तुमको या like list of slides, कितना slides होते हैं वो सब देखने के लिए मिलता है, and you can even change how you want to look at it. and वो note section बोलता है तुमको थोड़ा रेफरेंस के लिए, तुम like ये स्लाइड में क्या like तुम एक इमेज ऐड किया, तुमको like 2-3 दिन के बाद वो इमेज यहाँ पे क्यों ऐड किया, why did I add this image at this point of this part, तो थोड़ा रिमेम्बर करने के लिए तुम एक ऐड नोट्स भी ऐड कर सकता है, लाइक व्हाई डू यू वांट दैट, एंड दिस आर द वर्जन्स ऑफ हाउ टू व्यू अ स्लाइड। एंड वो जूम ऑप्शन भी मिलता है तुमको, मैक्सिमम 600% या 400% मिलता है, किसी किसी वर्जन में इंक्रीज होता है। और वो क्विक एक्सेस बार टूल होता है ना, ये थोड़ा सेव फंक्शन वो सब तुम ऐड कर सकता है। सो उसका like this is how the window of a presentation works, like this is the ribbon, मेजर पार्ट बोलते हैं ना, वो ऊपर वाला पार्ट को रिबन बोलता है, उसको हम एक होम टैब, इंसर्ट टैब, डिजाइन टैब, ट्रांजिशन टैब, वो सब लाइक मैं अभी एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए शुरू करता हूँ। सो दिस आर द मेन टैब्स ऑफ एप्लीकेशन इन द माइक्रोसॉफ्ट पावर पॉइंट, you get that. I'll go to the Microsoft PowerPoint and explain how you need to do that. So next part is what is this, yeah, this is like background features when even this like what is a save as, save माने you just need to save already saved application, वो save as बोलेगा ना, वो पे तुमका लोकेशंस कहाँ पे सेव करने के लिए, उसका नाम चेंज करने के लिए save as यूज करने चाहिए। open तुम like you had done an earlier version, you want to open that, use the open function. Then info, like it is about the permissions and all that you require for that। वो recent तुम like 2-3 versions, like 2-3 applications, 2-3 presentations तुम open किया था, और again you want to open that, you can just go to the recent tab and find that application। अब न्यू एक न्यू प्रेजेंटेशन करने के लिए, एक प्रिंट तुम्हारा स्लाइड प्रिंट करने के लिए ये यूज करता है। सो ऑल दिस फंक्शंस आर यूज्ड व्हिच आई विल बी एक्सप्लेनिंग नाउ, actually going। So now I think let's go to the main part, that is uh, just a minute। Okay, now I'm going to start like with a news, just okay, now here you just need to go and press PowerPoint, you'll get 2016 versus PowerPoint, or else you need to go to the desktop, click right in the option new, you will get a Microsoft PowerPoint. So when I'm opening a Microsoft PowerPoint 2016 now, so you'll get an option of blank presentation. Like if you are a very expert, good, and you are used to PowerPoint, better create a blank presentation, or else like तुम्हारे काम के लिए एक रेडीमेड, थोड़ा रेडीमेड, तो रेडीमेड स्टाइल चाहिए, उसको लिए तुम एक like you have a ready-made templates that they are called templates, and every versions you get in 2010 you get it new version templates, that format। wait, I'm going to show you that। यहाँ पे वो न्यू कॉलम टैब बोलते हैं ना। Okay, in this new option you'll get this either a blank presentation in 2010 version, recent templates which you have earlier used, sample templates, या my templates which तुम भी एक टेम्पलेट बना के सेव कर सकता हो उसको, तुम वो सब तुम्हारा my templates में वो सेव हो जाता है। वो themes, certain themes भी adopt होता है. Like if you want even specification for education or something, ये office.com पे रेडीमेड टेम्पलेट्स भी मिलता है एंड यू कैन कस्टमाइज इट एज पर योर रिक्वायरमेंट. उसका कंटेंट भी थोड़ा अलग होता है तुम्हारे तुम के लिए. तो व्हाट द कंटेंट you can just keep on adding to that. What is the content? So you'll get it office.com templates. So till 2010 actually the dependency of this application on internet was quite low. 2016 like almost all requires like this templates require internet connection, and 2010 you have some ready-made templates without this. So 2007 10 2003 is quite backward. Okay, 2007 10 13 16, so all these are new versions, almost quite similar except for the few features which you get. And I prefer 2010 or 13. 16 is also quite good, and 19 is not yet released. A stable version is not yet released over here, so don't believe on people saying that and join this, like download that application now. Okay, this is new presentation. This is when you open a new presentation. Okay, this is in 2016 version which I am working. So the first one is a blank presentation. So now I am going to teach you through a blank presentation. If you want to have a template, ready-made template, so now here is like paper trial. Okay, ये template में मैं choose करता हूँ. So तुमको एक सा design वाला template मिलता है. और if you want a new template, वो file, वो न्यू ऑप्शन मिलता है ना, उसको जाकर ब्लैंक प्रेजेंटेशन स्टार्ट कर. ओके, सो आई थिंक यू आर एबल टू सी द स्क्रीन. ओके, ये एक ब्लैंक प्रेजेंटेशन होता है. या okay, in this blank presentation, this is a slide, this part is a slide. Okay. With this, click to add title. So today I'll be taking on a topic of like coronavirus. Coronavirus. So you need to add a title. So how to add a title? Like now you don't. This is the first slide. So usually the first slide will be by default this layout. Layout में तुमको ऐसा ऐसा मिलता है, title slide, a title and content slide. So how to add a new slide is press this option. Usually you find 2016 or this. So this shortcut key for that is Ctrl+M. Actually, Ctrl+M new slide. Now even second slide also I want a title slide. So how to do that? I'm going to change the layout of that. So layout option को तुम यहाँ मिलता है new slide के थोड़ा अलग में. This is 2016 version, 7 version, 10 version सब same है. ऐसा ही format में तुमको menu like this tabs you get in the same way. So in the layout versions you'll get a title and a title slide, title and a content slide, section header, and section header is usually used to bifurcate between two parts, like first lesson, first unit or something, first unit of the presentation, second unit of the presentation. So उस समय में तुम ये section header use कर सकता हो. Like this two content version you can use for the like when you want to do differentiation or comparison or something, when you want to add two images, you have the comparison also. When you want just the title on the top and blank presentation in the bottom, you can add that too. So there are so much layout preference for you. Sorry. Okay, this is like, okay, let me go to the first slide. Okay, now we have added the coronavirus. Okay, you can even here change the format however you want. This, the first one is change the font whichever you want, Algerian, yeah, old Indian text. This is like old Indian text, old English text format. जैसे calligraphy के दिखता है. You want Times Roman, New Times New Roman. So ये सब format मिलता है. और एक छोटा छोटा फीचर है bold या italic या underline. Then टेक्स्ट शैडो, वो वर्ड आर्ट में भी मिलता है, टेक्स्ट के लिए थोड़ा शैडो देना चलेगा, तो वो स्लाइड में एक शैडो का इफेक्ट भी दे सकता है, वो 2016 में ही है। एंड इफ यू वांट टू स्ट्राइक ऑफ दिस पार्ट, ऐड सबटाइटल, यू ऐड समथिंग लाइक the pandemic of the era, the pandemic of the year or something. I have added, I think, yes, of pandemic. So you want to strike off this pandemic word, just use this function strike off, like वो effect देता है, like when you want to present something, ये भी मीनिंग देता है, पैंडमिक, वी डोंट वांट दिस इज अ डिस्ट्रिक्ट, सच फीलिंग देता है। अब क्या हुआ, तुम एक लॉन्ग वर्जन, लाइक यू टाइप ए लॉन्ग वर्जन इन कैपिटल लेटर, नाउ यू वांट टू कन्वर्ट दिस इनटू स्मॉल और समथिंग, यू कैन यूज दिस फंक्शन एंड द चेंज केस फंक्शन। ये एक बिग ए और स्मॉल ए होता है, एक कैपिटल लेटर एंड स्मॉल ए, क्लिक ऑन द एरो मार्क, sentence case माने में, like the first, if you are writing things in a paragraph, the first letter of the sentence will be in a capital letter, and after the full stop the first letter will be in a capital letter. lower case सब छोटा होता है, सब lower case में होता है, small letters होता है, and upper case everything gets into a capital letter directly. You don't want to delete and type again, so capitalize each word. Okay, now the capitalize each word, the corona is capitalized by C. Okay, virus, oh, capitalized. Okay, virus is another word, so it is capitalized by the first letter is V. Toggle case mane, usually it is not used, this 2016 version. So this is one. Now if you want to highlight this part, you have this shortcut key in 2007, 6 and sorry, not in 2003, you don't find this highlight text, this part directly. You want to highlight text, or click here, right click, you get this option highlight text, or you can do even that. Okay, even you can change this, select a part, right, select a part, so as soon as you select this thing you get a small window here. Even here you can change the format and basic functions you get. So now how to go back, that is undo function. Maybe earlier classes you have learned either use control Z, or you have that at the top, it's called undo, redo, such things. So this part, and next to that you have this, after the font size 60, you can change the font size over this 72, 60. Okay, next to that font style you have font size at the part. So even you have shortcut to increase the size, increase the font size, and that you are, if you are able to see the shortcuts also, it's very quite visible. Control plus shift plus open bracket, like greater than bracket. So what happens, this part gets more and more bigger, like the font size increases automatically. Now you want to make it small, okay, according to your requirement, like you don't get a guess, sudden guess, like what is the size I need. Okay, I think, okay, fine. Okay, these are the first, like this is in the home tab I'm going to discuss. So here you get a new slide, you want to add something, right, you want to add some bullets and numbering. Okay, now what, the timeline or something, you add timeline of corona coronavirus. The timeline of coronavirus, maybe I think it's in 2019, it started in China. Okay, now started to the world, started to spread throughout the world. Initial days of 2020. Okay, started to started to spread throughout the world in the initial days of. So a bullets and numbering function, how to use this. So this is timeline. So you have this pointed version. So what you need to do, just go, you have bullets and numbering optioning, you can choose whichever font you want, whichever style you want for your bullets and numbering. And this number format also, you can just use number one Roman numbers, yeah, ABCD, yeah, all these functions we were taught earlier even. So okay, okay, even this. So this alignment, left alignment, yeah, right center alignment, or right alignment, or a packed clean version. So all these things you get. So when you want this, when you're writing a story or a news article, something, usually you get in a two row news articles. So you can use one column, two column, three column. I think 2000, from 2007 this feature has started. Okay, but the logos are just quite changed, that's all. All the positioning of the things are same. All these things are there in 2010 and 7. Every other function 2007, I think so, animation features is quite less, but 2010 version it became quite handy for the people to use, that is offers. Windows you have 2008, 10, like that way, 2007, 2008, 2010, but you don't, I don't think you have Office 2008. Right, like 2007 to 2010 version you have Office. So after that, the text direction, align text, convert into a smart art. Usually what I prefer is, when you're doing something now, you're looking at this age, people love something animated or something very quite good. Okay, now I want to add another part, like what is that started in the spread of it. The spread was the, like the precautionary measures were were adopted. So what happens, ये थोड़ा सिंपल लगता है तुमको सब, लाइक किसी एक पर्सन में एक सिंपल लगता है देखने के लिए. सो तुम क्या करना चाहिए, I'll give you a short idea how to present in a better way. Select this part completely. Okay, go to this convert to smart art, or else go to insert tab. You have an option called smart art. Okay, that you can find it 10, I think so. So when you insert a smart tab, you'll get how you want this. Now maybe I'll use this thing. Okay, this vertical curve list. Okay, this is how I want this to look. Okay, this is when you insert this. Now if you want to convert this into a smart text, okay, now you want to convert this part into smart text, directly convert to smart text, use maybe, wait, so when you convert to smart art like this, it looks very like, oh, change colors, do whichever color you want. This looks more attractive for the people when they are looking, instead of using bullets and numberings, because modern trendy things look very good, quite colorful. Presentation always people want it more colorful or something. So I prefer you to use use this convert to smart text when you want to edit that. Okay, you go to format. Okay, here you can edit. Now sometimes what this part only, this you want to color this, so fill it with blue color. Right click, fill it this with right click. Wait.
Sujit, just 1 second. I would request whoever is crowdy filling this chat box kindly stop doing so. It distracts others. It's a kind request, please. Carry on. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, so when you go and adding this colorful things, the presentation becomes quite good. So maybe now I'll go like back, undo. I'm going to undo this thing. Now back to this, how it was. The option is either go to select or convert into a smart art, or go to insert option. Like if you already typed, press that convert to smart art. Okay, Now if I'll use another option, like it looks, first one, how it want you want change the color. एक सैम्पल आइडिया तो थोड़ा कलरफुल बनने के लिए पीपल को अच्छा भी लगता है तुम देखने के लिए. It's no the more and more, so in this option you can add a picture also, China or something, so it more looks more attractive. Okay, sometimes all this in 2010 application, I think so, it is all attracted together, like you can't change the color. So maybe you have to use that control shift G, ungroup and group they call it. Like ungroup mane this whole part is an image. Okay, you can't change an individual color. First color you want to fill it with I think 2016 version you can do that, but 2010 version, when I was trying that, I was not able to do that. So you should use either right click on that image, you'll get group or ungroup, or else you do control shift plus G. So it makes the presentation more attractive too. Okay, after this, okay, I'll stop for then. I'll go for the which home. So how to edit that? कैसे एडिट करने के लिए, फॉर्मेट ऑप्शन में जाके एडिट करने के लिए सब एक ब्रीफ में हिंदी में बोलता हूँ अब. ये header वो option में I have taught you already. So this next option is when you want to add bullets and numbering. This is converted to a smart art. ये bullets and numbering तुमको option यहाँ पे मिलता है. So bullets and numbering एक pointer wise you want to add, so you can use this version. And if you want something number, you can use this ABCD सब चाहिए तो ये bullets की use करते हैं. ये alignment में किस side के साथ तुम्हारा टेक्स्ट स्टार्ट करने के लेफ्ट, फर्स्ट, सेंटर या राइट, प्रीमियम like formatted one. So all these things come. And now this other features, when you add an image you'll get this like arrange when you add an image. Okay, I'll teach you next part. So now insert an image. Okay, pictures. Okay. So now I would like to add an image of a coronavirus now. Okay, wait, control plus X. I'll make a new slide and add coronavirus. So this is the image of the coronavirus. I think everybody is able to see this. Okay, yeah. Now what happened? I have downloaded the image. Now I want to format. What I said you earlier, like you can do basic image editing in this. So go to the function of format. Okay, the first thing is when you're doing that basic function which I said you earlier. Now let us start with the first option which you're looking to the left side. Remove the background. So ये background black है, तुम्हें नहीं चाहिए, तुम्हें एक the image of the coronavirus ही चाहिए. You just want the image of the coronavirus. Just press the remove background option. Okay. तुमको ये वायलेट कलर में मिलता है ना, वो सब कट हो जाता है. You don't get that. You'll get only the part that is you can see in the color one. Now we want to delete something. So in the left side you can mark the areas that you want to keep, or you want to remove certain part, you can remove using this next option. Okay, now if you want to select an area which you want to keep, when you just draw a line, this part will be selected. Like, okay, yeah, this black part will be selected. So you don't want this, remove this, just draw a line over that. Okay, so you want to delete all the marks, delete. Okay, एक basic image में भी save कर सकता हो. Now you did this. Now what keep all the keep changes? Yeah, एक इमेज को ऐसा क्रॉप किया, तुम्हारा बैकग्राउंड भी रिमूव कर दिया, और एक पिक्चर भी मैं ऐड कर सकता हूँ. ऐसा चेंज करने के लिए तुम्हें like you will get और an like idea how to change that. एक और पिक्चर भी ऐड करता हूँ मैं. Yeah, this person wearing a mask. Okay, insert. Maybe, oh, new slide. insert picture. ओके, अभी ये इमेज भी मुझे बैकग्राउंड रिमूव करने के लिए था, तो आई जस्ट वांट टू रिमूव द बैकग्राउंड. Again, go to the option format, remove background. Automatically, like it shows you how you want. You want to do this short, long, or something. You want to keep the areas, you want to remove the areas. All these features can be done. This. So now keep the areas. The whole image is cropped, like the background is removed. You can use even in your pictures, images, like instead of buying the premium version, like other photo editing applications. Okay, so these two features you have. Now what, again, go to the select the image, go to the format functions, corrections, like the fact is you want this in like soften, sharpen things, the image quality sharpen by 25%, sharpen by 50%. इसे image basic filters भी मिलता है उसको, हम यहाँ पे वो corrections option है, brightness, contrast. So all this like automatic functions are there. You want to customize for yours one, like you can add the percentage of yours, like in this picture correction options, customize sharpen to this level percentage, 2%, brightness 3%, 10%. So you can customize it according to your requirement. Okay, now you are done this. So now color, in color saturation, so basic function of photo editing is also available in this. So what happens now, you edited this function, so maybe you don't want to share the whole presentation. How to save this? Just as an image, go to file, okay, save, share. Okay, export option may 2016 you get it as even save and send. 2007 I don't think you are able to save that. 2010 version you get option of save and send. In that you have changed the file type. Okay, change the file type. Now you want to this image file type. So you have image files type, you PNG portable network. That is like when you want to print a photo or something, and JPG format. So JPG format, I'm going to save this. Okay, I'm only this slide, coronavirus. So maybe I'm going to save it in desktop. Okay, save. Okay, here you get an option, just you want to export one slide or all the slides. All the slides में एक although separate images हो सकता है, तो मैं एक ही image को edit करने से चाहते हो तो just this one. Okay, I think now it's saved. Okay, I'll just show you how this looks. Okay, okay, this is an photo. Okay, this I opened in the photos application, so this is saved as a photo. Even you can do the basic image editing function in the PowerPoint applications. So this is I want to, so if you I think you सबको like you got to know how to do this image editing, basic image editing. You have even more features in that. And let's go back to the PowerPoint. Yes, so even you have compress images, change picture, reset picture, all this add frame, all these things, picture border, picture color. So all the other features also are also available in PowerPoint. Okay, picture borders, bring forward, bring backward. Now what happens, now I want to add this coronavirus image in the first title page. Okay, what I'll do, I'll copy this image now, Control C, I'll go here and we paste Control V. So what happens, this is covered up in the front, so due to which I can't see my title. Now we are getting this. I'm not able to see my title. What should I do? I should add a text box over this and do that. But I already have typed a thing. I don't want to waste my time again. Either you go to the thing arrange over here, okay, or else right click. You have an option called send to back, bring to front, send to back, send backward, and send to back. So I'll send it to back. So automatically the coronavirus mm, title comes in the front and the image goes in the back. So I think it is off now. I'll change the color if you want. Font color, maybe white, black, or something. Okay, even that thing can be done. So how is the function? कैसा करने के लिए? I'll just show you again. ओके अभी मैं इमेज कॉपी किया था. अब मैं फर्स्ट टाइटल हेडर में टाइटल पेज में इमेज को पेस्ट कर सकता हूँ. आई पेज दिस. अभी क्या हुआ, मेरा टाइटल में क्या लिखा था ना, कोरोना वायरस द पैंडेमिक ऑफ द ईरा, वो बैकग्राउंड में गया, मुझे देखने के लिए नहीं मिलता. तो व्हाट शुड आई डू नाउ एक्चुअली? आइदर टाइप इट अगेन बाय इंसर्टिंग एन टेक्स्ट बॉक्स और समथिंग. सो टाइम वेस्ट हो सकता है. तो इसलिए मैं क्या करता हूँ, अरेंज ऑप्शन में भी मिलता है सेंड टू ब्रिंग फॉरवर्ड एंड बैकवर्ड सच ऑप्शन में. या राइट क्लिक करने के बाद तुमको एक ऑप्शन भी इमेज पर भी मिलता है. टेक्स्ट पे ये ऑप्शन नहीं मिलता है. सेंड टू बैक, सेंड ब्रिंग टू फ्रंट, इमेजेस और वीडियोस में ये ऑप्शन मिलता है. ओके, सेंड टू बैक. सो अब क्या हुआ, मैंने टाइटल फ्रेंड आया, मेरा ये इमेज बैकग्राउंड में गया, एक लाइक फोटो फ्रेम के लाइक इन बैकग्राउंड जा गया था. तो इससे ये फंक्शन भी तुम कर सकते हो. now screenshot application. Okay, now after this I think the home tab में सब फीचर्स में एक्सप्लेन किया था. मैं अब इंसर्ट टैब में जाके क्या क्या करने के लिए ऑप्शंस मिलते हैं हम देख लेट्स सी लाइक वो क्या क्या फीचर्स मिलते हैं. फर्स्ट वन इज टेबल ऐड करने के लिए मे बी 1 2 3 4 5 6. ये टेबल पे टेबल फॉर्मेट में तुमको डिजाइन ऑप्शन मिलता है. 2010 में भी मिलते हैं. 2007 आई डोंट थिंक यू गेट डिजाइन और लेआउट थिंग. सो ये डिजाइन ऑप्शन है ना, उस पे तुम कलर ऑफ द टेबल की भी चेंज कर सकता हो, बॉर्डर शेडिंग और फर्स्ट एंड टोटल कॉलम भी, टोटल रो. लाइक वो टोटल रो क्या होता है ना, लास्ट कॉलम वो टोटल से कर सकता है. लाइक इफ यू वांट टू हाईलाइट दैट थिंग, वो टोटल रो ऑप्शन यू रिमूव करता है तो वो नहीं आता है. तो फर्स्ट कॉलम, सेकंड कॉलम, first column say when you want to explain something. So all these features you get in the left edge. You can see the table style options में, और right click on that, edit the table style, you can see that. So यहाँ पे भी तुमको बहुत सारे types of dark वो सब मिलता है. This is on the table insert a table. So layout option में भी. So ये design tab में after you insert a table, as soon as you insert a table you get two options, designs and layout. It is available in 2010 and 16. I don't think you get in 7. Okay, you can do this styling, shading, borders, all these basic functions. You need to explore everything. So layout में तुमको एक insert right column, insert left column, वो shortcuts नहीं मिलता. तो 2007 people who are using 2007 do not very right click, format table, select table, format shape, वो सब options मिलते हैं ना. तुम यहाँ पे एक insert shadow such things तुमको shortcut मिल जाए. format table option भी मिलता है 2007 पे. So people who are using 2007 also can use that format table. Design, all these colorful features are not available in designs in 2007, I think so. So as soon as you type something, okay, maybe yeah, today's state, number of cases, number recovered, okay, maybe total taka, number of cases approximately 9,800. Okay, recovered 5,000. Now again I want to add a row. Okay, what I need to do, add a row options मिलता है, और ये layout option में insert below option मिलता है. एक और row, insert below. Okay, यहाँ पे now महाराष्ट्र So number of cases for the day is about approximately 10,000 I take. So number of record 8,000. So it now may एक like in that design format में जो last option में है total row में total option मिलता है तुमको एक functions में मिलता है but I don't think so. So total 10,000 19,800 total recovered. Okay, next page. So इस टेबल भी इंसर्ट कर सकता हो तुम अभी. Okay, now insert option में now let's add a new slide. ओके टेबल हुआ पिक्चर्स भी हुआ ऑनलाइन पिक्चर्स ऑप्शन 2016 में ही पर ऑनलाइन में डायरेक्टली like you don't get this feature in 2010 I think so. Don't directly go to that Bing, it takes you to Bing and you need to download an image or something. Screenshot option में 2010 में मिलते हैं 2007 या screen clipping. Okay, oh shit. Okay, screenshot ना वो when you insert a screenshot no it will show you screen clipping और background में कोई applications रन रहा कर रहा है like screen clipping background में एक photos application मेरा wait just a second. Okay, now screen clipping background में मुझे एक photos में भेजा था ना. I'm sorry. Okay, yeah, in my background there are three applications running. One is a photos, another one is Microsoft PowerPoint, another one is a folder. So when I choose clipping, now I can what happens in 2010, 2010 you get a direct format. So now you see this is a screenshot of the background running application. I'm not able to share due to with Zoom is restricting me how to take the screen clipping. This is how the screen clipping looks. Background में ये application run like it was running actually. So I got a screenshot of this. So insert a screenshot, all this picture. Now after you insert a screenshot, now we have inserted a screenshot. Now next photo album, create a new photo album, all this if you want to do that. And now how to add shapes, all these features maybe you have learned over in the world or something. Okay, insert function may icons is actually a new application for like new feature for 2016. You won't find in 2010 or other features. Okay, maybe you got the basic app, logos or something like it is for painting. Yeah, this now like let me take for health. What happens, I've selected 5 to 6 images now. So what happened, all this have grouped to one. So what I had earlier said, divided plus control shift plus G or go to home, you get an arrange, you get an option ungroup or something. Okay, now ungroup, after you ungroup, each and every image can be separated. So this icons is actually new feature for 2016. We'll get it in 2007 or 2010. Okay, next insert tab. Smart Art I had earlier taught you when you're changing some bullets and number to make it more graphical, to attractive, more attractive for people. You can do that. Charts, when you want to chat a graphical chart, a columnar chart, a bar chart, a pie chart, or something. When you can take that from Excel too, or Excel may like it becomes quite easy when you have the data in the Excel. See, you have got the series one, maybe category one. I can take a state-wise recoveries and this. Karnataka. Okay. Maharashtra. Okay. Telangana. Okay. Now Delhi. First column में active cases. Recovered. Last column में I think you are able to see this. Okay, last column I don't want this, so I'm going to delete this. Delete. Okay. Okay. Now it automatically opens Excel. So what happens now? Okay, now you have this. You have a graphical ready, maybe 4.8 or 9,800. Enter. Okay, now you're done with that. So what happens? You have this chart ready. So I think it's good to take to the next slide. Oh shit. Yeah, now I have brought this to the new slide. You can change the format or design. Now it is like horizontal way. You want it in a what you call a straight format, like vertical format, or this you can change here also. Quick layout. वो legends भी बोलते हैं थोड़ा side में recovered active. If I zoom in this part recovered active वो legends बोलता है वो तुमको ये layout में मिलता है. You add legend, delete legend. So this what is the difference between 2007, 6 and 7, 10 and 13 is all this you need to go right click and do that, but in 7, 6 and 7 you need to go do right click, go to format and do all these features. But when it comes to 10 you have the shortcuts in the top itself, and 16 also. So if you want to change colors also you can add change colors like this one. Okay, as the first one is good. So now you want a dark chart, a light chart, all this format you can change chart type. You can go to columnar, line, bar. This is usually this candles are used for stock uh, representation. Now if you don't want to say chart style, yeah, this is good, but this is not out for when you're comparing between states. Okay, you are now actually comparing between states now. Okay, now you want so it is actually Maharashtra, Karnataka. I'll zoom out for a better view. Okay, yeah, you have got this chart now. You can change the font style. You can do something however you want, you require. If you want to remove the legend or something, if you want it at the right edge, you want this, all this feature different presentation. So you want to make it more colorful or presenting, you can add this. Even this feature is available in 10. Okay, 7, I think you need to go to format and all different types of color adjusting. I don't think you get over here. Okay, now again back to new slide. Oh, insert new slide. Insert. Okay, insert. Add a comment when you want to add a comment or something, so that you can do. When you want to add a text box, you can add a text box and type something. Okay, when like in this you have put a screenshot. Okay, now you want to add a text box over here. How to take a screenshot. Okay, this is how to take a screenshot. I've added this text box. Okay, yeah, now I can format this same. I can want this in camera light. Algerian is fine. Algerian is fine. Change the format style. Okay, you can just pull that. Okay, how to take a screenshot. Yeah, this is when you take a screenshot. Like when you are adding a text box, you can use this feature. That is same for that. Now what is hyperlink? I want to explain. Like now you select this and give a hyperlink. Whenever you press this, it will actually take you to that part of the this. And stores and add-ins actually is not required, and it's not available in this. When you're presenting or something, you can just have an extension or add-ins for that. Actually it's not required, but when you're in the basic formatting style, you don't actually require this. Hyperlink, add header and footer. Okay, header, date and time if you want, slide number if you want. Header may, okay, now what you want to type something. Okay,
हेडर एंड फुटर उन्होंने पढ़ा है even in
okay,
Excel and even in Word. So I think we
okay,
all can write in the chat box what does that header and footer do.
okay,
What
okay,
happens when you write a header and a footer? Please write in the chat box.
okay. ये वर्ड आर्ट तो तुमको वर्ड में ही मिलता है, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट वर्ड में. अभी में एक वर्ड आर्ट ऑप्शन भी है यहाँ पे. I think 2007 has a greater word art features. When you want your text to be more like attractive one, something. Again, coronavirus, something. Again, you want to change the format. Go to format. Here you have word styles different. So all these things you can do that formatting. Now insert option. I think I have finished everything. Slide number. When you want to add. Okay. Now when you want to add a slide number or when you want to know this slide number, just press slide number. Equation, it's usually useful for teachers who are doing these presentations, it's for max or these things. So when you want to add an equation, just go, you have some basic mathematical equations. If you want to add like more, now I have added an equation because all these things are not available here. So when you automatically add this, you get an option like I mean other symbols like plus, all this script, when script, subscript means like the below, like when you want to do under that this, or superscript means above, like square, 2 square, 3 square, such things. Then this degree, this is Celsius, all these things you get. Actually this is also available in 2007, 2010, 2016, and for that everything. So when you usually useful for the teachers, math teachers, when they are doing the presentations. No, actually, okay, we just divided. Yeah. Actually, the equation does not take place. This is how to present the equation, because you don't get this beta sign, alpha sign in the keyboard. You need to type that, na. So such functions and all these things you get in the equation, insert equation functions. Okay, now back to this. Okay, right. ओके, नाउ इंसर्ट फंक्शन में और क्या है, सिंबल ऐड करने के लिए कोई सिंबल चाहिए तो को रुपीस or something, insert, insert, insert. All this in symbol. If you want to press, okay, when you want to add a symbol, add video and audio. Okay, when you want to add a small video is in my PC. Actually it takes time to load, so I'm not actually adding this. Screen recording mane, when you are actually presenting this, you can have a screen recording and add to this. Audio, either you can have your own narration, like you want to present this, transform this video, this PowerPoint presentation into a video. Okay, there are small advertisements, actually done through this animations, adding animations, such things I'll be showing in my presentation. I have done that. You can convert that into video with my recording, my audio. What I'm talking now, it can be recorded, record my audio. So according to that only, how you play the slideshow, it will be simultaneously done, simultaneously what like merged with that. Okay, fine.
I'll just tell that in Hindi. What happens is, अगर सुजीत ने कोई आपके लिए प्रेजेंटेशन कर रहा हो और आपको ऐसा लगता है कि वो या हम खुद कर रहे हो और हमको वो वॉइस रिकॉर्ड करना है, तो ये ऑडियो के थ्रू ऑडियो रिकॉर्डिंग हम कर सकते हैं, और नेक्स्ट टाइम जब हम प्ले करेंगे ये पावर पॉइंट को, हमारा ऑडियो भी उसके साथ आ जाएगा. तो उनके लिए जो एक्चुअली प्रेजेंटेशन करते हैं, टीचर्स प्रेजेंटेशन करते हैं, स्टूडेंट्स को सिखाने के लिए पावर पॉइंट प्रेजेंट करके उसके ऊपर वॉइस डाल देंगे और वो दिखाएंगे तो ऐसा लग रहा है कि टीचर्स एक्चुअली सिखा रहे हैं. This is audio. We have already learned how we can put video and an object in Word as well as in Excel. अभी तो आप लोगों ने क्या क्या सीखा इंसर्ट में, एक टेबल, एक स्लाइड, एक पिक्चर्स, ऑनलाइन पिक्चर्स, स्क्रीन स्नैपशॉट कैसा करता है, फोटो एल्बम्स, फिर शेप्स, ये सब तो आप लोग ने वर्ड में सीखा है. देन वेरियस टाइप्स ऑफ स्टाइल्स, फिर ऑडियो कैसा इंसर्ट करते हैं, वीडियो कैसा इंसर्ट करते हैं. अब हम जाएंगे डिजाइन में क्या क्या डिजाइन है, क्या क्या लेआउट है, अभी सुजीत आपको सिखाएंगे. ओवर टू सुजीत. टेक ओवर.
Actually, this design function is when you this like take for example ये slide में थोड़ा plain रखता है तो so when you want to do that you can actually have this designed templates or something. Okay, it is automatically available for you so that it makes the presentation look more attractive. अभी एक तेरा भी एक presentation है. Now I don't want to add any. Okay, wait. Control present. Okay, now I don't want to add any. अभी ये मेरा design है. I want to add to all the slides. So what you need to do is like background style में set this. इसलिए अभी मैं यहाँ पे ये feature नहीं मिल रहा है. Okay, actually in 2010 you were able to select this image has a background theme also. ब्रेक वो रेडीमेड होता है, सब स्लाइड्स को एप्लीकेबल भी होता है सब, और एक ही स्लाइड में भी ऐड कर सकता हूँ. ओके, बैकग्राउंड स्टाइल्स. ओके फाइन. ये सब फीचर्स पे 2010 में बहुत अच्छा है 16 के साथ, बिकॉज इट्स मोर कस्टमाइजेबल 10 देन 16 बिकॉज आई एम नॉट एबल टू फाइंड दैट. ओके, अभी ट्रांजिशन बोलता है ये ना, स्लाइड ट्रांजिशन. एक्चुअली दिस इज व्हाट मेक्स दिस वेरी गुड. ओके, पावर पॉइंट प्रेजेंटेशन. नाउ ये मॉर्फ फंक्शन अभी यहाँ पे यूज करता हूँ. अभी मैं ये सबको अर्लियर बोला था ना, आई विल चेंज दिस टू कन्वर्ट टू स्मार्ट आर्ट. ओके, more smart art graphics. Okay, someone I'll be selecting one. Okay, maybe I'll set this. Okay, अभी क्या करता हूँ मैं, I'll just minimize it for to show you how to add in this animation something. I'll just bring this 3, select this 3 now outside. Wait. Actually, I want to explain you about the transitions of morph. Okay, it is actually available only in 2016 and Office 365. How it works? Okay, when it is transforming from one slide to another, when what are the contents in the slide, it brings inside the slide. Okay, this morph function, it is not available in 2007 and 16. Actually, it's one of nice feature. So I wanted to show you. Now I'll put all the contents of this outside the slide now, like timeline of this coronavirus. Okay. Okay. Now what happens now after this morph? Oh, shit. Actually, it should have been doing. Okay, this like when you want to change the slide, वो ट्रांजिशंस बोलते हैं ना, एक स्लाइड के दूसरे साइड जाने के टाइम में एक एनिमेशन के जैसा अच्छा देखने के लिए ये फीचर यूज करते हैं ट्रांजिशंस. एक्चुअली 10 में भी बहुत है. और नाउ ये स्लाइड से मैं और एक स्लाइड के जाते हुए अभी कट रैंडम बार्स शेप ऐसा अच्छा transition मिलता है, so it looks more presentable and more good, so that people get more interesting in your presentations. So such things can be done. This is actually our 2016 features, airplane, origami, then page peel off. You don't get this in 2010, 7 and all. So animation features are actually increasing in this transition things. Let me come to the main part. That next part is that Now even you can customize the transition. Okay, you want, now I'll choose this origami. Okay, as soon as this earlier slide turns to a bird and flies, you want a sound of something like arrow, bomb, or something, you can add pen or such things, and how fast you need that. You want that to be very slow, and add, increase the duration to 6 seconds. Okay, now you look how the transition looks. It looks slow. So you want it fast, you can do it more fast. And you want it on the mouse click or automatically. Okay, this all applies when you look at a slideshow, you can understand how it works. Okay, now next
I'll
let's
just
go to
explain this. I'll just explain this. See, ये
okay.
क्या है कि आपका प्रेजेंटेशन और अच्छा, बेहतर और क्लियर दिखने के लिए हम ये सब यूज करते हैं। ट्रांजिशन मतलब एक स्लाइड के बाद दूसरा स्लाइड को किस तरफ से किया जाता है। अभी उन्होंने बताया कि एक ओरिगेमी के तरफ से एक पक्षी उड़ रहा है, या आपने डिजॉल्व का मतलब वो अपने आप पिघल जाता है और दूसरा स्लाइड आ जाता है। फिर चेकर बोर्ड, ये ऐसा डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ स्लाइड्स है जो ट्रांजिशन होता है एक स्लाइड के बाद। और ये जो एंड में ये जो ड्यूरेशन है, वो ड्यूरेशन हमको क्या दिखाता है कि कितना फास्ट और कितना स्लो जा सकता है। अगर हम बताते हैं कि ड्यूरेशन का ज्यादा करते हैं तो स्लो से जाएंगे, ड्यूरेशन कम करेंगे तो कम से जाएंगे, तो इस हिसाब से आपका ये इफेक्ट भी आपको देख सकते हैं। तो ये सब फीचर्स अपना एक ट्रांजिशन एक स्लाइड से दूसरा स्लाइड में जाने के लिए है। कंटिन्यू।
ओके, थैंक यू मैम। सो जैसे मैम बोला था, एक अट्रैक्टिव करने के लिए, बहुत अच्छा लगने है, ऐसा ऐसा ट्रांजिशन होता है। ये सब फीचर 2016 में ही है, 10 और जिसमें वो नहीं मिलता है, वो दिस कर्टेन्स वो सब। अभी मैं एनिमेशन में जाता हूँ। ओके, कैसे ही एनिमेशन फंक्शंस यूज करता हूँ। तो फर्स्ट एक्चुअली द होल प्रेजेंटेशन अच्छा लगता है तुम एनिमेशन ऐड करते हैं। एनिमेशन वो इमेज के लिए ऐड करते हैं। जैसे अभी एक इमेज है ना, मैं अभी एनिमेशन ऐड करता हूँ तो बहुत टाइप ऑफ एनिमेशन मिलता है तुमको, एक अपीयर, फेड इन। नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू यूज जूम इन। ओके, अभी ये इमेज मुझे ऐसा एंटर किया, लाइक व्हेन यू प्ले स्लाइड शो, वेट आई विल शो यू। ओके, व्हेन यू प्ले स्लाइड शो, ओके ऐसा दिखता है। अभी ये इमेज बैकग्राउंड में था इसलिए आया। अभी हाँ, ये कोरोना वायरस जूम करके इट zooms in and it, so when you add that animation it looks in that way quite interactive. Now क्या हुआ, you अभी animation pane, usually when you are doing that on this animation pane feature, so that तुमको देख सकता हो कि कैसा कैसा क्या क्या एनिमेशन तुम डाला है यहाँ पे। सो अभी तुम एंटर किया तभी, नाउ यू वांट दिस इमेज टू बी एग्जिटेड नाउ, सो व्हाट यू नीड टू डू, ऐड एनिमेशन फीचर यूज करो। अभी वो मैं यूज कर दिया क्या क्या एंट्रेंस फंक्शन से एम्फेसिस में वो इमेज वहां होते हैं ना, उसको थोड़ा लाइक व्हेन आई एम यूजिंग दिस फंक्शन। ओके, I'll go to this slide. Now usually I prefer people who are doing that, not do duplicate slide, not then you want to repeat that, copy and paste. Okay, now you want to convert this or new slide. Okay, now I add some text. Okay, okay, now what happens, this I'm going to teach for the emphasis animations. Okay, add animation, emphasis, color pulse. Okay, then you have grow and shrink. So what happens to this emphasis, वो enter नहीं होता है image, like there are 3 levels in animations: entrance, emphasis and exit. वो entrance का job क्या है, किसी और इमेज बाहर से इस स्लाइड को और प्रेजेंटेशन के लिए एंट्री एनिमेशन देता है, एंट्री का एनिमेशन, लाइक इट गिव्स द इफेक्ट ऑफ एंट्री टू दैट emphasis. those things that are existed, वो थोड़ा लाइक डार्कन, एक ऑब्जेक्ट को कलर करता है या ऑब्जेक्ट को ट्रांसपेरेंट करता है। ओके, वो सब फीचर्स, ग्रो एंड श्रिंक, वो सब करता है। अभी मैं एग्जिस्टिंग इमेज को बाहर फेंकना चाहता हूँ, लाइक आई वांट टू जस्ट रिमूव दैट इमेज, गो आउट। maybe I'll use that fly out, float in, float out. exiting from the slide, वो presentation से बाहर जाता है. You want to, अब even you can वो अभी देखा ये वाइप आउट ऊपर जाता है. अभी इफेक्ट ऑप्शंस में तुम नीचे जाना, यू वांट दैट फ्रॉम द टॉप. वाइप आउट शेप वो सर्कल में जाता है या स्क्वायर में जाता है. Like it is usually good at image when you look at the image. Okay, I'll show you how. Entrance. Okay, go enter. Zoom in the shape, object center or something. Wheel है सर्कल पे या 2 spokes 3 spokes, वो सब इफेक्ट्स तुम ऐड कर सकता हो. और द मेन थिंग इज दैट ऑन स्टार्ट एनिमेशन टाइमिंग होता है ना, ये तुम्हारा एनिमेशन का इफेक्ट बहुत ही, यू नीड टू बी वेरी स्मार्ट व्हेन यू चूजिंग दिस. ओके, व्हेन यू वांट टू थिंग्स टू कम टुगेदर. नाउ आई वांट दिस इमेज. ओके, कंट्रोल प्लस सी, कंट्रोल प्लस वी. I want this coronavirus image and this mask to come together. Okay, I'm going to reduce the size. Okay, now I'm going to reduce the size of this corona. अभी क्या है वो, I want to add animation. Look at this, I don't have animation over here. So what I'll do and add an animation of like box. Okay, now a person is, okay, this ये animation add किया था. अभी मुझे ये उसका मुंह के साथ, like it should come near his mouth. So what I'll do, and I add an animation called motion paths. Okay, more motion paths. उस पे वो come to right. Okay, ये function दिखता है. तो मैं, you can, when you on the animation pane, you can do this image up and down so that it becomes quite easy for you. Play how it looks. Yeah, ऐसा अभी ये, like you want to move this even longer, edit this animation. You want here, you want this to come here. Now play how it plays. Okay, ऐसे एनिमेशन पे में तुम एडिट कर सकता हो. सो एनिमेशन एक्चुअली तुम्हारे प्रेजेंटेशन को एक और लेवल बहुत, लाइक मेक्स इट टेक्स यू टू द नेक्स्ट लेवल. ओके, ट्रांजिशन इफेक्ट्स एक्चुअली अफेक्ट द होल स्लाइड. ओके, वो एक स्लाइड से दूसरे स्लाइड जाने के समय में ये इफेक्ट देता है. और एनिमेशन ना उसका एक में एक इमेज के लिए ऐड कर सकता हो, एक टेक्स्ट के लिए ऐड कर सकता हो. तो इसलिए एनिमेशंस यूज करता है. एंड एनिमेशंस एक्चुअली मेक्स योर प्रेजेंटेशन मोर गुड. ओके, वो स्लाइड शो ऑप्शन में, लाइक फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग, फ्रॉम द करंट स्लाइड, लाइक ये फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग में स्टार्ट करता हो. हाउ इट लुक्स, हाउ माय प्रेजेंटेशन इज. Yeah. Okay, now I had earlier forgot to say you animation में, हाँ अभी किसका, हाँ ये पे with the on the click माने, when you click the mouse or when you press the arrow mark, the animation gets active. With the previous माने, as soon as this animation is active, the next one also comes with that together. So the first animation is the second animation, that is the person appearing and this coronavirus will come together. Let me show you how it works. Okay, this is the first animation. Now let's see the next animation. See, this both comes together. Oh, if I give on a click, okay, on a click क्या होता है, ये animation को मैं on a click देता है. Now what happens? ये first animation हुआ, अभी second animation हुआ, मैं एक और बार click करने के लिए, only after I click, I get the third animation. So when you use that with the previous or something, you get it in an easier way. It is more good. So it makes it more slideshow from the beginning. So present it online. This is feature, I think so 10 में नहीं है, and it's only available in 16. So I said to 10 till 10. No, actually the internet dependency was quite low. After that, all this internet features are more high. Okay, custom slide show, you can record your slides. So rehearse timing, तुम्हारा presentation कितना time लगता है, you want to rehearse a timing, so automatically time comes. So you want the presentation to finish in 30 minutes, either you think you need to add a slide, you remove a slide, you can do such things. Okay, now I'm going to close this. No. Okay, abhi you want to record the narrations, you want to record a slideshow. It looks like this way. When you're recording, you can, like, when I want to record this slideshow and send it to you, to my students or someone, I can just mark this. All these things are being recorded. Okay, now it's time. I've started recording. Okay, back. Next. I'm going to teach you how all these things are being recorded in a video. Okay, this is a record slideshow option. Review all this spelling. When थोड़ा spelling का mistake हुआ, accessibility लेके जाके you can check the spelling. Thesaurus is actually giving the another meaning for this word. Screenshot thesaurus. There's no other meaning, I think so. We couldn't file them. Okay, virus, pandemic. Now I have selected the. Let me type a word. Okay, actually. Pandemic. Okay. I'm going to select this word. Thesaurus actually gives you another word meaning like epidemic, plague, contagious sickness, disease, illness. So उसका और एक word, similar word to that meaning, वो तुमको thesaurus में मिलता है. Check accessibility. These are like, actually you don't need that. View. Okay, this I'm going to teach that, like normal outline. Normal view ये होता है. ये आउटलाइन व्यू, लाइक व्हाट आर द टॉपिक्स. उसका ये फर्स्ट लाइन में मेरा टेक्स्ट क्या था, कोरोना वायरस द पैंडेमिक ऑफ इंडिया, ये ऐसा देते. स्लाइड सॉर्टर. नाउ वी वांट टू मूव द फर्स्ट स्लाइड टू लास्ट. यू कैन यूज दिस. यू कैन जस्ट select that, click on the right button and move that. Or in the normal ratios you can move the up and down, so wherever you want such things. Okay, reading view. दिस ये रीडिंग में ऐसा दिखता है. नोट्स पेज. Usually it is good when you're taking a printout. Okay, sad text, when you have added a notes or something, you can use this slide master. This is actually one. Okay, I want to teach. Okay, view in a normal view. Okay, now back. Yes, I'm going to close all the side view.
Just summarize this. What we have done is over here. ये हमने देखा है कि ट्रांजिशन कैसा किया, एक स्लाइड से दूसरा स्लाइड जाने के लिए डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ मोशंस हम कैसे क्रिएट कर सकते हैं एंड हाउ वी कैन गिव. एनिमेशन में हमने क्या किया, हम एक स्क्रीनशॉट में दूसरा स्क्रीन कैसा डाला जा सकता है और वो मूवमेंट की तरफ से एक साइड से दूसरा तरह साइड में कैसा जा सकता है, या ऐसा लग रहा है कि एक्चुअली आदमी चल रहा हो, इस टाइप ऑफ मोशन सब हम कैसे क्रिएट कर सकते हैं, या हम वो कितना फास्ट हो सकता है, और अगर वो क्लिक ऑफ अ बटन हो या क्लिक ऑफ अ माउस से क्लिक करना हो, या एक सीक्वेंस के बाद कैसा दूसरा सीक्वेंस कैसा जाना चाहता है, ये सब हमने एनिमेशन का स्लाइड शो में देखा. फिर रिव्यू में हमने क्या देखा कि रिव्यू अपना स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक्स क्या होता है, ये हम लोग ने वर्ड डॉक्यूमेंट में भी सीखा है ना, वह स्पेलिंग्स कैसा होता है, या पर्टिकुलर स्लाइड को हमको कुछ ऑल्टर करना है, वो सब रिव्यू कर सकते हैं. और व्यू, डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ व्यू मोड्स, डिफरेंट टाइप्स हम लोग खुद के लिए रीड करने के लिए कैसा होता है, अगर हमको एक पर्टिकुलर स्लाइड को ऊपर नीचे करना हो तो कैसा होता है. फिर अगर एक स्लाइड के नीचे हम नोट्स लिखते हैं, वो नोट्स सिर्फ हमारे लिए है, दूसरों को देखने के लिए तो नहीं है, या हम लोग जब प्रेजेंटेशन देते हैं उसको भी नहीं दिखेगा, लेकिन हमको देख सकते हैं एंड वी कैन, इट इज इजियर फॉर अस. क्योंकि ऐसा होता है कि प्रेजेंटेशन में हम लोग पूरा कहानी तो नहीं लिख सकते हैं. प्रेजेंटेशन ऐसा होता है कि यू हैव टू ओनली बुलेट पॉइंट्स, और वो बुलेट पॉइंट्स को हम एक्सप्लेन करेंगे. तो एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए एक छोटा छोटा वर्ड्स हमको याद रखने के लिए, वो पॉइंट्स याद रखने के लिए हम लोग वो नोट्स में लिख सकते हैं, एंड देन वी कैन यूज इट फर्दर. देन वी केम हैज व्हाट वाज नोट्स, रीडिंग व्यू, स्लाइड. थेसरस तो हम लोग ने देखा है वर्ड्स में सिनोनिमस का, एक ही वर्ड के लिए दूसरा क्या होता है. एंड देन यू कैन ऑल्सो हैव रिव्यू. सो दिस इज हाउ यू गो टू द व्यू मोड. अभी फॉर्मेटिंग मोड दिखाएंगे सुजीत.
अभी like okay, when I was discussing about slide master. Okay, तो स्लाइड मास्टर ना एक थिंग है, वो एक पूरा एक यू डोंट वांट टू एडिट ईच एंड एवरी स्लाइड, एक एक स्लाइड एडिट करने के चाहते नहीं, लाइक यू वांट टू ऐड वन थिंग फॉर द होल ऑल द स्लाइड्स ना, यू कैन यूज दिस. नाउ आई वांट टू ऐड संपूर्ण शिक्षा लोगो फॉर ऑल द स्लाइड्स और माइक्रोसॉफ्ट लोगो फॉर ऑल द स्लाइड्स. नाउ आई जस्ट पेस्ट दिस एट दिस एज. ओके ओके, नाउ कंट्रोल प्लस सी for slide, control plus V. Okay, now I have selected this in the master view. How to go, कैसा जाना है, क्लोज मास्टर व्यू पे जाके वो ऑप्शन मिलते हैं ना, स्लाइड मास्टर पे जाके तुम ये ऑल द स्लाइड्स, ये फर्स्ट वन की ये प्राइम स्लाइड होता है, उसका इफेक्ट सब स्लाइड में ये इफेक्ट होता है. कभी एक फुटर में मैं लिखता हूँ सुजित कुमार. ओके, ये ये फुटर में मैं ये लिखता हूँ सुजित कुमार. अभी क्या मैं स्लाइड मास्टर क्लोज करता हूँ, हमारा प्रेजेंटेशन बाहर कैसा लिखता है. ओके, हर एक स्लाइड में माइक्रोसॉफ्ट लोगो आएगा. आई डोंट वांट टू गो एंड चेंज इन ईच दिस. This is how you need to effect on the slide master. Okay, this is all the functions of this. Then in 2010 onwards you'll get how to export option when you want to create a video. All this with an, wait, I'll show you when I play this from the starting, how does it look. Actually, when you use the record animation option, right, your audio, whatever you speak also gets recorded. Now I'll show you. Okay, now it's time. I've started recording. So it's a back. So when you use the recorder option, whatever I was spoken earlier, the audio is also automatically recorded over here. So has you heard, if you heard that, yes, I'm going to teach you how all this record function when I'm using, and whatever I speak is done. So I've come to the end of the this present, like not presentation, like this end of the slideshow. Okay, then 2007 में ये feature नहीं मिलते. 2010 onwards you'll get all the features of saving a video export. Now like the whole animation including all this is can be either done as a pdf में you don't get all those animations, you just get the slides with the text. Create a video, ये video हो जा सकता है, like you can play this as a normal video. Okay, when you want to for the cd, okay, cd you get another format. So when you want to create handouts usually bills होते हैं, when you want to create a banner or something you can use this. Oh, change the file type option मिलते हैं ना, you can use this presentation. So sometimes the 16 is not compatible with 2007 version, so you have put 2007 to this, all this templates you can from 1997 to 2003 presentation format. All these functions can be used. You can save it as image or a png, jpg or png. But so many features are available in 16 and 10. 16 out 7 I don't think all this saving as pdf, create a video, a handout, saving as image is not available. Now I want to take you to back to my presentation which I was dealing with. Okay, where we were just working with the slides. Okay, now actually presentation skills के बारे में मैं बात करता हूँ अभी.
The first rule is treat your audience as
okay, just a minute. Yeah, okay, how to present your presentation very well. Okay, first thing is treat your audience as a king. So whenever you are expressing or presenting something to the audience, actually you should treat him as a king. Okay, whatever he requires you need to present, not whatever you require. Like for example, you're teaching to a kg kindergarten student and you're teaching to a 10th standard student. You have to treat him like what he requires, you have to teach him, and what the student of 10th standard require, you want to teach him how he requires. He is the king, he is the boss of the whole program. So So whenever like this pop-up animations can be added, like always you should merge with his thoughts. Each and every person you should merge with his thoughts, not what you think. So if you're just speaking like blah 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 all these things, nobody's interested. So you should just go into his mind, what he may be thinking, what a kindergarten child may think, what a 10th standard student may think, what a graduate student may think, what a old age person may think, how he thinks. I think non common knowledge every person has got when he's presenting something to the people. So you can need to adjust to his thoughts. Maybe everyone is having different thought. You should have to, your explanation should be in such a way that should merge them all into one. So maybe your presentation should include all this, like you express different thoughts, but it should be all one. So when you make this all together, the audience get love to your presentation. So this is what I want to say, like you should always treat your audience as a king. He is the main person, so your presentation makes good. So more than your PPT, your presenting skills is more important for the people. So Lata ma'am, can you explain this in Hindi?
Yeah. वो ये क्या बोल रहे हैं कि अभी चलो हमने प्रेजेंटेशन
Lata ma'am?
Yes, I'm doing it. Yeah. Can you hear? All of you, can you hear? Can you hear me, Sujit?
Okay. Maybe.
Can you hear me? हाँ, ओके. क्या बोल रहे हैं कि अभी आप लोग ने देखा कि हम एक पीपीटी कैसे बनाते हैं, एनिमेशन उसमें कैसे डालते हैं, ट्रांजिशन कैसे करते हैं, इतना सब देखने के बाद अभी ये अगर प्रेजेंटेशन बराबर नहीं किया, अगर सिर्फ पीपीटी दिखाया तो किसी को नहीं समझने वाला है कि आप क्या कह रहे हैं, क्या करना चाहते हैं, क्या बोलना चाहते हैं. तो फर्स्ट पॉइंट, द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट है कि हम ऑडियंस को राजा की तरह मानते हैं. अभी समझो हम ये कोरोना के टाइम में स्कूल में सबके लिए टीचर्स को पीपीटी दिखाना पड़ता है. तो अब अगर टीचर सिर्फ पीपीटी दिखाते हैं तो स्टूडेंट्स तो कुछ समझने वाले नहीं है, टीचर्स को टीच करना पड़ता है. तो वो स्टूडेंट्स के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू वो टीचर्स सोच के उस तरफ से पीपीटी बना के और उस तरफ से प्रेजेंट करना पड़ता है. अभी पीपीटी बनाना भी, अभी देखो इस यही पीपीटी में आप देख रहे हो कि ऊपर से आता है डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ क्राउड्स और नीचे से आते हैं डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ पीपल. तो ये जो पीपीटी बनाते हैं ये एनिमेशन के हिसाब से, एंड देन यू कैन टॉक, एंड आवर पीपीटी शुड इंक्लूड ऑल दिस. ये सब होना चाहिए. एरो कैसा, व्हाट डज इट, क्या बताते हैं, ग्राफिक क्या है, ग्राफ कैसा बनाते हैं, बिजनेस के लिए ग्राफ कैसा होता है, सेल्समैन के लिए. तो उस हिसाब से अगर सेल्स के लिए है, अगर ऑफिस के पर्पस के लिए है, अगर स्टूडेंट्स के लिए है, तो उस हिसाब से हमारा पीपीटी चेंज होना चाहिए और हमारा एक्सप्लेनेशन भी उस तरफ से होना चाहिए. यस सुजीत.
Thank you, ma'am. So the second point what I'm going to say is spread ideas and move people. So what does it mean that? So all these things are done by animation actually. It makes the presentation more good. So every presentation, like you should not have a big stories written in that. Your slides should not just include a big stories, blah blah, all those things. Actually you should make it to a pointer or headers, so you can need to shorten it. So when you have a lot of content, nobody is interested to read your slide. They can read it in the internet, they can read it somewhere else. Why should they come to see your presentation when you have all this stuff just you are going to filled with that content? So what happens that you should be able to convey your message to the audience. Okay, not the content in the PPT. Like, I mean, the message in the PPT, the content you want to speak, everything should be like able to communicate with the audience. So your thought should be, so when you're like conveying a when you're conveying something to the audience, like it is not just like a meeting. You need to have a meaning and you should be able to reach the audience too.
That is the second point. What he said. वो क्या बोल रहे हैं कि दूसरा हमारा पीपीटी के लिए दूसरा क्या है, द मेन इम्पोर्टेंट इज हमारा पीपीटी बहुत छोटा, सिर्फ एक पॉइंटर्स रहना चाहिए. तो वो आइडियाज रहना चाहिए, वो पॉइंटर्स रहना चाहिए, उस हिसाब से हम बात करना चाहिए। और जो बात करते हैं वो हम अपना मैसेज देना, बहुत सारा ऐसा शब्द नहीं, डॉक्यूमेंट पैराग्राफ सब नहीं लिखना चाहिए पीपीटी। पीपीटी शुड ओनली बी स्मॉल एंड स्वीट। एंड और क्या है कि ये जो हम इंफॉर्मेशन करना बोलना चाहते हैं, वो मैसेज पास ऑन करना चाहिए शॉर्ट एंड स्वीट। तो वो अपना पीपीटी की तरफ से हमारा मैसेज जिसको भी हम बोलना चाहते हैं हम कन्वे करना चाहिए, हम देना चाहिए, है ना। इतनी अच्छी बात, हमारा पीपीटी के साथ हम क्या क्या कर सकते हैं, हम एनिमेशन डाल सकते हैं, हम मैसेजेस दे सकते हैं, हमारा थॉट्स दे सकते हैं। तो इट इज अ वेरी गुड way of conveying the message in a very meaningful way. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. So एक presentation में एक third point में I want to say is that this, so एक presentation बना लिया था तुम, like you want to convey something, so what you want thinking, तुम क्या सोच रहा है वो तुम्हारा ऑडियंस के लिए, like it should reach your audience such a way you should express the things. So always the audience is like, वो सब सेम नहीं होता है, half of the audience actually understand what you speak, what you टेल, वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन क्या होता है, तुम क्या बात करते हैं, तुम्हारा टेक्स्ट क्या है, वो सब like they understand that thing, where the other part of the audience usually focus on the visual things. They love images, they love videos or something. Like talking about myself, I'm a person who love this like visual things. I get more attracted, like I get easily understanding things. Like if I write a whole story about coronavirus, nobody's interested. I just put a symbol, this is how you need to wash your hands, like wash your hands, of small video. Okay, or else now take for example, now I'll write a small content, wash your hands, apply the hand wash it between your fingers, backside of your hand. Nobody's going to read that. Just add a video having that wash your hands with your fingers, inside, backside, so people understand it more faster. So I think like visually communication is more good than verbal. There are people who even understand your verbal communication. So like images, when you add a lot of images or something relevant to the talk what you're talking, actually makes the people audience very happy and understand things.
तो ये ऐसा है कि मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम हमेशा हम लोग को पिक्चर देखने में ज्यादा याद रहता है बोलने से। अभी हम सपोज एक टेक्स्ट बुक पढ़ने को बोलेंगे या वो टेक्स्ट बुक का ही हम पिक्चर देखेंगे। जैसा सुजीत ने बोला कि हम एक टेक्स्ट लिखेंगे कि कोरोना वायरस में क्या क्या करना चाहिए, हाथ धोना चाहिए, सैनिटाइजर यूज करना चाहिए, ये अपना ऑल द रिक्वायरमेंट्स जो भी है अगर हम लिखेंगे तो काफी लोग पढ़ेंगे नहीं, लेकिन यही एनिमेशन के थ्रू या पिक्चर्स के थ्रू हमारा पीपीटी में डालेंगे तो वो काफी मोर इंटरेस्टिंग होगा और पब्लिक को याद भी रहेगा। तो हम जो भी हमारा पीपीटी से दिखाना चाहते हैं, मैसेज देना चाहते हैं, ज्यादा करके विजुअल डालो और वर्बल कम करो। गो अहेड।
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Actually, coming to the fourth point of your slide, when you are actually having a when you design a slide, actually there is a difference between design and decoration. Okay, design is actually okay. Design and decoration का difference के बारे में I'll talk about that. What is design is like it's creating something very interactively or something. Decoration is just putting blah blah blah, that is not related to that thing. That is you just decorating the slide. You are not designing it according to the requirement of the audience. So like for example, now like there's a stone, you need to design it, you can just draw, but like when you're designing it, like what you say, एक अच्छा प्रेजेंटेशन बनने के लिए एक स्लाइड को ऐसा रिलेवेंट टू द टॉपिक बनना चाहिए, like not just putting, if someone says add animation, you add animation to everything. No, that is not the right thing. You should add the animation the right place, the right time, how you want, so that each and everything gets so communicating. So what happens, like when you design in such a good way, ऐसा design करता है ना, वो decoration is something different. Just when someone says to add all the images, you keep on adding images, that does not make the presentation so good.
क्या है कि अगर हम अभी हमने इतना सीख लिया, एनिमेशन कैसा करने का सीख लिया और इमेजेस कैसा डालने का, ट्रांजिशन ऑफ द इमेजेस, अभी ऐसा है कि हम यूज जब करते हैं प्रेजेंटेशन में, हम सोच समझ के यूज करना चाहिए। जगह अगर वेदर इट इज यूजफुल, अगर चाहिए सब जगह एनिमेशन डालो, सब जगह ट्रांजिशन डालो, अच्छा नहीं लगता। तो हमारा पीपीटी अच्छा होने के लिए हमको जो इमेजेस चाहिए वही जाओ और डिजाइन करो, डेकोरेट मत करो, क्योंकि डिजाइन ही सबको पसंद आता है, डेकोरेशन में किसको भी पसंद नहीं आता है। अगर समझो हमने कुछ स्टोन लिया, वो स्टोन में हमने डेकोरेट करने को बोला, तो एक अच्छा शिल्पकार अच्छा से बनाता है, लेकिन ऐसा कुछ भी हम लोग डालेंगे तो हमारा आइडियाज भी निकल जाएगा। हम जो कन्वे करना चाहते हैं, अगर चाहे वो स्कूल में स्टूडेंट्स हो या कस्टमर्स हो, हम उसकी तरफ से हम कन्वे करने के लिए एक अच्छा डिजाइन करना चाहिए, हम डेकोरेट नहीं करना चाहिए। यही कहना चाहता है सुजीत। गो अहेड सुजीत।
Okay. So last slide क्या बोलता है, like you need to cultivate a healthy relationship between you and the audience. तो like कोई relationship नहीं है, माना कि तुम्हारा audience भी तेरा के like is a part of you. You should feel that when you have that thing, you can be like better presenter or something. Like for example, just look at this person. Okay, he is just looking at the slide and reading. Do you think anybody will get interested in that topic? You should just like face that. Who is interested in looking at your back something? You should just face the audience and just start. Don't, like it's not meaning like should just short down the things, not just put the whole stories or content into the slide. Then everything, when you want to explain something, just have a small notes. Nobody minds you reading from the notepad or something when you're presenting, so it makes it very good. Don't put everything in the slide, so you can read that. But the third thing is you need to practice well. Okay, you need to practice really well. Just going to the stage and you think, oh my god, I forgot who is, okay, he is already forgetting what is the thing of we listening to his presentation. No, you need to practice well, you need to learn to speak, you need to like maybe very like very good thing. So practice is more important here.
ऐसा है कि अभी हमने प्रेजेंटेशन भी सब तैयार कर दिया है। प्रेजेंटेशन अभी ये कोविड के लिए हम सब जूम प्रेजेंटेशन करते हैं, नहीं तो एक्चुअली हम लोग कोई कंपनी में जाते हैं तो हम लोग एक्चुअली प्रेजेंट स्टैंड करके प्रेजेंट करते हैं। तो उस टाइम में हमको सिर्फ स्क्रीन को फेस करके प्रेजेंट करना नहीं होता है, हम आगे देख के, कस्टमर को देख के या स्टूडेंट्स को देख के प्रेजेंट करना होता है। और नेसेसरी हो, जरूरत हो तो हम शायद एक पेपर भी रख सकते हैं हमारा हाथ में, एक इम्पोर्टेंट नोट्स भी रख सकते हैं और प्रेजेंटेशन देने का है। और द मेन थिंग इज हम जो भी प्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं, जो भी अगर ये अपना जिंदगी के लिए भी है कि जो भी प्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं, सबके लिए प्रैक्टिस जरूरी। चाहे वो प्रेजेंटेशन हो, चाहे वो स्कूल का एग्जामिनेशन हो, या चाहे कुछ भी हो लाइफ में, अगर प्रैक्टिस नहीं किया हुआ तो कुछ भी अच्छा नहीं होगा। इसीलिए प्रेजेंटेशन हम प्रैक्टिस करके, एंड ये प्रेजेंटेशन ऐसा है कि हमको ये टाइम फ्रेम दिया गया हो तो हमको टाइम फ्रेम, उधर टाइमर भी है, हमने बताया टाइम कैसा रख सकते हैं प्रेजेंटेशन में, तो वो टाइमर के हिसाब से भी हम प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं। आजकल हम लोग को कितना सारा टेम्पलेट्स मिलता है, कितना सारा वेज ऑफ डूइंग पीपीटीज मिलते हैं, तो वो भी हम बराबर सोच के एनिमेशन से बराबर करके अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस करके देन फिर हम जाके किसी को प्रेजेंट करेंगे तो हम हमेशा कामयाब होंगे, एंड दे विल रिमेम्बर अस। हम कुछ एक छाप देंगे एक जगह में कि हाँ ये आदमी या ये स्टूडेंट या ये इस तरफ का प्रेजेंटेशन हमेशा अच्छा करता है। ओके सुजीत, टेक ऑन।
Okay, you should always like think yourself as some a part of being that like what do you call that presentation, like you are a part of that. You need to be able to explain to them. When you think you are a part of that, you will be able to convey to the audience very well. So due and so like adopting all these 5 features or simple things, you can just stand apart from all the crowd, so it makes you really good presenter to that. So MS PowerPoint is not just like when you make this PowerPoint and go and stand, nobody's interested. When you like, you should be able to communicate with them. So this is what I want to say. But now I'll take you, ma'am, you'll explain in Hindi.
It's okay. That is what I told him, that unless you learn the mind of the audience, जो audience का दिमाग हम जानते हैं और उस हिसाब से हम presentation कर सकते हैं, तो definitely हमारा presentation बहुत successful होगा.
Okay, now I'll teach you how to access the Office 35. Okay, Office 365, sorry.
Office 365 कैसा access करने के दिखाएंगे.
Okay, now you are able to see my Google screen, no ma'am?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, as soon as you go to the Google screen, just type Office 365. Okay, the Office 365 gives you some features as free, okay, and remaining features like you need to pay that. वो Office 365 क्या है ना, ये online version है. Online version का all this Microsoft suite you have, that is Word, Excel, everything you get in online, and it is saved in OneDrive, so that when you can share to different people at different times, like you don't just need to carry your computer, you have your tablets, a mobile phone, everything can be, cloud based. The environment, this trend is going to a cloud based one, and we can't just depend on the pen drives or something. So the first one is an ad. Don't go to that. Office.com, login. I'm going to, so here sign in or get Office. I've already signed in. I have an account. So I'm going to sign in now. Just stop sharing that. You need to add your email ID. I'll just stop this for a moment. So that you need to add your email ID. If you are the first user, you need to sign in or create an account, which just asks your name and password of that. Okay, I'm sorry, just a minute, back. Okay, just a minute. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now I'm going to share my screen to you. Now I have signed in over here, so I have my own accounts. So this is Sujit Kumar. So here you get all the features, that is start Outlook, OneDrive, Word, Excel, PowerPoint. Are you able to see the screen now, ma'am? Are you able to see the Google screen?
Yes.
Okay. Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Note, everything. This will be saved in your OneDrive, so that you can access it from anywhere. So what are the features is that you just get this 5 suites, that is Word, Excel, OneNote, PowerPoint, and with 5 GB of cloud storage. When you get a premium subscription, you'll get more security, more 1 TB of data storage cloud, and so many extra features. I don't know the correct price of that. Okay, let me start with the PowerPoint itself in this version, a blank presentation. Okay, let me start with a new blank presentation. It is an online version. When you don't have this, when you have good internet connectivity, you can just go to Google Office 365 and have this presentations done. Okay, you need not have like buy that for 1,000 or 2,000 rupees, the original version, if you have good internet connections in your house. If you don't have that, then I prefer it. So maybe the top version, you can see that like simplified ribbon or something. If you want how it looks in the application, the original this one, just Go to the classic ribbon. So what happens? This looks like how you have in your Microsoft app. Okay, open in desktop app, all these features you get this. So this is how add a new slide, design, same as this. Okay, all these features I have discussed earlier, transition, animations, review, and you have better animations. If you're like, I'm saying someone was asking, I have a 2007 version. If you have very good internet connectivity, go to Office 365 and have your animations and these things done. All the files and data will be saved in a OneDrive so that you can access from your mobile or something or other devices too. So it is not that if you have good internet connectivity, Office 365, just have your account, login and done that. You can save it, you can share it to someone on this. Ma'am, you'll explain this in Hindi.
I think they would have understood.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm sorry.
can-
It's fine now. I think come out.
If you have any doubts, you can write in the chat box.
Okay, now I'm going to say. I think few minutes are left. Google Slides के बारे में. Okay. Google Slides. See, even this is like Google, this Microsoft PowerPoint itself, but preferably Microsoft PowerPoint has better features than Google. Like what this Google Slides, slight more features like text format, languages. Even you get your language, different languages like Marathi, Kannada, all those Google languages also you'll get. And if you have any doubt, please don't raise hand. Please put in the chat box. Access is there in 365 also. Yes. Okay. You can use it in mobile also. It's better when you're using it mobile. You can download that app, PowerPoint. Yeah, it is like quite huge in size, 70 MB, 80 MB. You get Excel or PowerPoint. You can use in that. But when you are using through multiple devices, I prefer what you call like Office 365. You have a tab. You have a what you call laptop, and you do multiple, you do a presentation. So when you do a presentation in a mobile, you need to share that to PC and you need to make some changes. What happens when it's cloud, you can access through that to all the device. Like when you're in office, you can make the changes in the laptop. You keep the laptop in the office, come to home, you have a tab, you can even make a further changes. So what happens when it's in cloud, so it becomes more easier for you to explain. So Office 365 is better. So mobile, you can use Office 365 also. So Google Slides, go to Google, log in. You need to have a Google account. You can use Google Slides, Google Word, all those features too. Any more doubts?
Google Slide सिमिलर है आपको पावर पॉइंट की जैसे देन तो इट इज ऑन क्लाउड के हिसाब से है, तो आपको किधर भी जाके और 2-3 जन साथ में भी चेंज कर सकते हैं. एट वन प्लेस इट विल एक ही जगह में.
I think you don't have any doubt.
Yeah, I think it's perfect.
Okay, thank you everyone. Thank you for
Thank you.
Sampurna
Thank you,
Shiksha
Sujit, for this lovely presentation.
Thank you.
Hello. Yeah. Thank you everybody for this session. And if you all have any more doubts, you can also book. We will go on Facebook Live and YouTube also. We will be posting it, and you can revise your sessions from that. Then we are having the next program. We will be having a Garba dance sessions for you for Navratri. So you all can register through us, and
Also
learn
have
how.
okay.
Yes. Okay, go on.
Did we complete like slides go?
Yeah.
Okay.
Slides,
Very good.
No, ma'am.
Yeah.
Slides,
Slides.
Yes.
you can just yeah.
Slides go. You actually get a ready-made templates. Okay.
Yeah, you can just drop a highlight on that. Yeah.
Okay. Slides go. You get ready-made templates. So according to your requirement, so when you're making a presentation for education or something, okay, you can have this template, maybe first semester plan, sketch notes lesson, notebook lesson. Okay, this is a notebook lesson. Okay, use this, download this PowerPoint template, download this Google slide template. When you download this, okay, so Satya, when you after you subscribe, you'll get this. So such slides go or any other features you get according to your ready-made templates. So you need to just go in edit the text that is already present over in that, so that you need not waste your time bluffing up things like adding images or something. This will be readily available for you all people. Slides go or any other, just or just type like PPT templates free, or slides go or any other applications. You'll get a lot of this. So in that also popular education, you have bifurcation according to your requirements. So when you download this, it saves a lot of time, because they have relevant images according to your requirement, and you need not waste your time searching for the images or something. Maybe anything. I think most of the things you get, like now we were discussing about COVID-19. Use this as Google Slides thing. Maybe what are the type of slides it looks. Yeah, all these things. So it is already ready-made. You need to just edit the text wherever you require it. So this is like you can get the ready-made templates from the internet, and you can use this for this. And someone was asking barcode, like how to add a barcode. I don't think barcode can be added something. Barcode is actually for the what do you call this products, right? I don't think so. What is barcode? But QR codes can be added as image or something. There is no option called barcode to be added in PowerPoint. And thank you.
दिस इज ऑल ये क्या है, ये स्लाइड्स को तो काफ़ी टेम्पलेट्स मिलता है। तो अगर हमको आसान तरीके से एक अच्छा स्लाइड करना है तो हम लोग ये स्लाइड्स गो के अंदर जा सकते हैं, एंड कोई भी स्टाइल, कोई भी बिजनेस के लिए हो, मार्केटिंग के लिए हो, मेडिकल, क्या पर्पस है, इसको इस तरह से हम लोग चूज कर सकते हैं, और सिर्फ हमारा डाटा डाल सकते हैं। हमारा जो हेडिंग है, जो हम हमारे लिए है, वो डाल के चेंज कलर्स कर सकते हैं, एंड वी कैन मेक प्रेजेंटेशंस बहुत आसान तरीके से, बहुत फास्ट बना सकते हैं, और बहुत ही बढ़िया तरह से आपका प्रेजेंटेशन आ जाएगा।
Yes, it is free. Slides Go
Yes,
is free.
Okay.
Okay, so I will just share the screen now. So are we done with the class? Any doubts you have? Any other questions? We are just waiting. The test link, we will be sharing it in some time. So just if you could answer this question, what is Microsoft Store or MS Store? Someone is asking.
Microsoft Store, it's like store money. It is like a Play Store to download the application. So has you had, like you had this in 2016 version, na? Okay. Wait, I'll just go back. Are you able to see my screen? Yes.
We can see the Google.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wait just a minute. Yeah. Here in insert you have a store. Okay, this option is like when you want to add some add-ins or extra extensions to that, like when you want to record these animations with better audio facilities or things, such store add-ins can be done. And this is like a Play Store, and you don't actually find lot of applications or add-ons in that. It is better when you want better add-ons, you know, you go to Google Slides, you'll get better add-ons for that, extensions or something. That is actually MS Store. It is actually store, yeah. And anything else?
Okay, thank you. Before I move on to the question, I will just share my screen to show the Garba posting. Okay, students, if you want to go and register for the Garba workshop, you have to go on our website, Sampurna Shiksha, click on the Natyaswaram, you'll find our Garba page, and if you click the link, it opens up a Google form, and also the links and everything will be shared in our WhatsApp group and in the Zoom chat box also. Or you can register, watch our Facebook page also, everything. So we will be live on Zoom as well as on Facebook Live. So you can learn from Zoom also or from Facebook.